Okay, find the correct end behavior for a given polynomial function. And apologies that these haven't come out as exponents right here. These should be the exponents, okay? So this is a positive x cubed function. Now I know if you look at x cubes or even x fifths, what this is a positive odd leading exponent, okay? Now I know they tend to look like that. So the end behavior is this. So in other words, actually, I'm going to give you right now, it is A, okay? You just have to remember these, that if you know what an x cubed graph looks like, it rises to the right and falls to the left, okay? And that's it, okay? So I know, there you go, rising to the right and falling to the left. It's not B, C, or D. If you look at some of the other ones, okay, up here, this is a negative, and I have to look at the, it doesn't always come first, remember, this is, if you look at all the rest of them, this is a negative x cubed, so I know they look like that. If I put one in a graphing calculator or anything like that, that's a negative x cubed. So these rise to the left and fall to the right. So again, it looks like it's A, okay, not B, C, or D. The next one, again, apologies for this, this should be an x to the fourth. So this looks like a positive x to the fourth. In other words, it's an even exponent. Now I know that x squared graphs look like that. But then again, so do kind of x fourth graphs, whatever. They actually rise to the left and rise to the right, positive even. So that is D, okay? I know that's a positive even exponent, okay? Even exponent. This one, if you look down here, this is an x to the sixth. So this is the highest one, there's an x to the fifth. So you just look at the highest exponent. This is a negative even exponent. So I know they're upside down and they should look like that. In other words, they fall to the left and fall to the right. So that is B, okay? And that is just realizing that, again, there is an x squared, okay? So that is a even exponent. That's a negative x squared. Again, an even exponent, but a negative one, okay? So I just look at the end behavior, falling or rising, okay? Again, I know that this looks like an x cubed, so I recognize it rises to the right and falls to the left. I know that this is a negative x cubed, so it does the opposite, it falls to the left. Sorry, rises to the left and falls to the right. Now also, if you think about this, think about what these are doing. This is going from, actually they're all going negative infinity to positive infinity really, but what we're saying here is as this graph goes positive in the x direction, it rises. As it goes in the x direction in a negative direction, it also rises, okay? This one here, as it goes this way in a positive x direction, it falls. And this, if it goes in a negative x direction, it also falls. Okay, so think what's happening to the y. With these x cubes here, positive one, as it goes this way in the x direction, yep, it's going that way in the y direction. But as it's going this way in the x direction, it's going down in the y direction. And this one here is vice versa. So think about end behavior, okay? And that's pretty much it.